Welcome to my hiking adventure to Rørene from Grimstad. Today we start our journey from the parking lot where the trail begins. As we step onto the path, we're greeted by the smell of fresh pine and a gentle rustling of leaves in the dense forest surrounding us. We walk steadily through this lush green forest, the canopy filtering sunlight and creating a peaceful shaded corridor. The trail slowly ascends as we head towards Halsen, and the trees gradually thin out as we approach the open landscape ahead. Soon the forest clears completely and we find ourselves above the tree lines, where sweeping views stretch in every direction. To the west, you can see the shimmering waters of the fjord, dotted with islands, while the landscape rolls into distant hills and farmland. Reaching Nøringen, the terrain dips down before we cross over Nøringsmyra. Be mindful that after rain, this area can be quite wet and boggy. I even spotted a small frog hopping across the mossy ground. Nature's little surprise during my hike. The landscape here is rich with mosses and reeds, a delicate ecosystem that thrives in the dampness. It's a reminder of the vibrant life that exists even in these soggy areas. From here, we ascend Ramneskaret, a not too steep but rewarding stretch that brings us closer to our destination. The trail becomes more rugged, but the effort is well worth it. And finally, we reach the summit of Rørene. The views here are truly spectacular. To the north, the fjord stretches out endlessly, ships darting in the water and boats swaying gently. The distant island creates a stunning skyline against the shimmering sky. Looking south, you can see Ålesund and Sunnmøre Alps looming in the distance. On a clear day, the horizon seems to blend seamlessly with the sky, giving a sense of vastness and freedom. Thank you for joining me on this scenic hike to Rørene. It's a journey through forest, wetlands and breathtaking viewpoints, truly a gem of nature. If you like this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any future content. Until next time, happy hiking!